Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about game developer. So how can you become a game developer, and then how to earn on Fiverr by uh, game developing. So we are here at Coursera.org. So through this website we will read an article about game developer and then understand about it. So let's start reading out. What is a game developer and how do I become one? Learn how to launch a career in a video game development. Video game developers help transform games from a concept to a playable reality. They do this by coding visual elements, programming features, and testing iterations until a game is ready for market. If you love video games and enjoy working with computers, a career in video game development can be immensely rewarding. What is a video game developer? Game developers typically play a role in several elements of game development, including visuals, artificial intelligence, user interface, and game logic. Game developers take the game designers' design, storyboards, and ideas and use them as blueprints to bring the game to life as something gamers can actually play. Tasks and responsibilities. The type of work you do as a game developer will vary depending on the size of the company you work for and your specialization. At bigger companies, you are more likely to have a more specialized role working on a specific element of the game. At an indie publisher, you may have a hand in multiple processes in a game's life cycle. These are some of the day-to-day tasks you may perform in this role. Develop new ideas for game design, translate visual ideas into code, prototype, iterate, and polish gameplay, collaborate with designers, producers, artists, and quality analysts, monitor game stability across platforms, review existing code, uh, and recommendation improvements, um, port games or elements from one system to another. Uh, Types of game developers in this industry, you'll typically work in one of four types of roles: first, second, or third party developers or independent indie developers. What path you choose to pursue will depend on where you are in your career, what elements of game development you are interested in, and how much creative control you want over the final product. So, specializations. In addition to deciding what type of developer you might want to be, you might also choose to specialize. You can develop niche skills based on the type of system, console, computer, or mobile. Game type: simulation, adventure, role-playing, strategy, etc. Or a specific game element, in-game systems, level design, user interface, environment, etc. Learn about the role games play in the metaverse and gaming opportunities for augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, and extended reality (XR). Is game development a good career? Many game developers get into the industry out of love of gaming. More than 215 million people in the United States play video games, according to the Entertainment Software Association, making it a leading form of entertainment. While working in video game development can be challenging, it can also be rewarding to take part in creating something you are passionate about and that your potential customers are passionate about as well. Game developer salary. According to the 2021 Developer Satisfaction survey conducted by the International Game Developers Association (IGDA), 63% of full employed developers reported earning more than $50,000 per year. Job site Glassdoor reports on even higher figures, $74,838 average base pay for game developers in the US as of October 2022. How to become a game developer? Video game development is typically seen as high coveted career, especially for those with an established love of video games. Let's take a look at some of the educational recommendations and skills you can build that could make you more competitive in your job search. Educational requirements. Many game development and publishing companies look for candidates with a bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. Some universities have started offering degrees or minors in game design and interactive entertainment that are more specifically targeted toward the video game industry. With a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science from the University of London, for instance, you can specialize in cutting edge topics like virtual reality, games development, or 3D graphics and animation. So that was the article about game development. So now let's move forward to the Fiverr official website, and then uh, we will search on the Fiverr search bar about game developer. You can see that it is at the top of the suggestion. So there are a lot of gigs, um, and the charges is also high, or we can say expensive. So let's check out one of the gigs in the recommendation page. So the title of this gig is I will develop high quality video games for any platform. As you can see his work profile of this gig, and is charging for a simple game 1,53 1,53,000. So wait, let me count. One stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. No, sorry, 15,33,000. Man, he's charging 15 lakh for a simple game, and 30 lakh for game with graphics, and advanced game with graphics 61 lakh. So as you can see, the demand and the value of game developer is increasing day by day, and is the charges of game developer, or you can say salary of game developer. So you can definitely learn the skill of game development, and then you can earn in lakhs or crores. So let's end this today's video here. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you. Allah.